Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YPF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the crazy mover today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on this one. So a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support, then we can talk levels of resistance. So the one level that really stands out here going into Tuesday is right there at about $11.20. And this is an area where I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part and that nobody else has noticed this. Actually, quite the opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have noticed this $11.20 mark. And I bring all that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching the same area and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some pretty interesting price dynamics. And that's what we have here at 1120, because in the event the price does not hold above that level, while there is no such thing as a guarantee, just technically speaking, the next level of support is not until the lows from today, which were down there around $11.25. So, I mean, you go through the history of things, and there just aren't any other areas of support. So, again, does that mean that 11.20 fails, that it's dropping straight down to 10.25? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price now, then enter into kind of a slow drift back down to that area. But so far, so good. The price has been holding above there. But then the final 30 minutes, you can see got the big red candle there and is now sitting right at that area. So, is that level going to be able to hold again, or is that going to actually fail? And, you better believe that, there's shorts watching that area too that are potentially thinking about, shorting that breakdown. But it hasn't broken down yet, so we'll see if that can ultimately hold up as support or not. If the price does start to work its way back upwards, initial level of resistance, which again, a lot of people are going to have taken notice of, is that $12 mark. Pretty straightforward that on several occasions the price got right up around that level and can never quite push through it. So that'll be the first key battleground that needs to be broken. If the price can get up through there, the next key level not until up around 1270. So a lot of room for this thing to potentially move, with either a breakout of $12 or a breakdown of the 11.20 mark. So like I said, a lot of eyeballs on these levels because these are pretty straightforward. So it'll be interesting to see how this one plays out on the week. I know I'll be keeping an eye on it on Tuesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.